4 and 5, Marine Rescue in the Housatonic, Lake Housatonic, report of a vehicle into the water with occupants inside.
There's 3 people in the vehicle, 1459 hours, KNFU 6 airway.
This is in Seymour, however, they're in the river. Gotta start our boat over there. Roll over. Roger, 1459.
Okay.
I'm gonna have Kevin roll the second ambulance.
Roger, I'll be there in like 2 seconds.
Roger, send 701.
Roger.
50. Dispatch, star responding units. For the caller, all 3 parties out of the vehicle. The vehicle is still in the water. We're checking for injuries.
Zodiac 4 and Rescue 45.
Roger, companies 1, 5, and 4 were on the initial dispatch. Want me to retone 4?
Never mind. I didn't hear the company 4s. Rescue 30 from Huntington.
Indian Wells State Park for water rescue.
Verify the squad 1. You heading towards Marine 5? Yeah, 10-4, we're coming up to Indian Wells momentarily. You're on your way there, we're not 100% sure the location of the low. Yeah, I'm going down Indian Wells Road, making a turn now. 10-4, we're behind us.
Any fire officer on there? In contact with Northwest, they are responding. They are reporting all occupants are out of the vehicle at this time.